5 natural remedies for ringworm. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 natural remedies for ringworm that you can start using today. So if you're ready, let's get to the good stuff. The sound of ringworm is enough to make your skin crawl, literally. Thankfully, it's not as creepy or as crawly as it sounds. There aren't even any worms involved. I know, now there's a sigh of relief. That's a huge misconception people have. Ringworm, or tinea, is not a creature but an infection caused by a fungus. Ringworm, however, is highly contagious. Anyone can get ringworm, although some people are more susceptible than others, such as those with compromised immunity and also in young children. Ringworm causes red, ring-shaped patches on the skin. The red splotches typically have a wavy border that's raised or scaly. The rash is usually a little itchy, but not always. While many medications are available to treat this fungal infection, natural treatments and natural remedies can also be just as effective. Here's a short list of 5 natural remedies for ringworm that you can try. Number 1, soap and water. You need to keep the area as clean as possible when you have ringworm. This helps prevent the further spread of the rash and helps to keep the affected area under control. Simply wash the affected area with water and antibacterial soap daily before applying any other home remedies on top of it. Then, make sure to dry the area thoroughly after showering or washing. The moisture will make it easier for the fungus to spread. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has strong antifungal properties, so it can help treat ringworm when applied to the affected area. For this remedy, simply soak a cotton ball or a cotton pad in undiluted apple cider vinegar and gently apply it to the affected area. You can do this 2 to 3 times daily. Number 3, aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been used as a natural remedy for both bacteria and fungal infections, and ringworm is no exception. Aloe vera can treat ringworm, and it may help soothe symptoms of itchiness, inflammation, and discomfort. You can find ointments with aloe vera in it, or you can simply apply aloe vera directly to the affected area. You can do this 3 times a day. Number 4, turmeric. Turmeric has numerous health benefits, including antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's also an effective antifungal that inhibits growth. For this method, simply combine fresh ground turmeric or turmeric spice with a small amount of water and mix until it becomes a paste. Then, take the paste and apply it to the affected area and leave it on until it dries. You can also drink turmeric water or turmeric tea to get the daily internal benefits. Number 5, coconut oil. Certain fatty acids found in coconut oil may kill fungal cells by damaging their cell membranes. It's an extremely effective topical home remedy for ringworm and infections with other fungi like Candida. To use it, simply warm the coconut oil either in the microwave or in your hand so it becomes warm. Then, apply it directly to the affected area. It will absorb into the skin quickly. You can apply this natural topical 2 to 3 times daily. Okay, well, that's all I got for today. I know it was a short one today, but that's all I got for 5 natural remedies for ringworm. Also, if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment. Head on over to our blog and get your free copy, A to Z Complete Home Remedy Guide with over 2,000 plus home remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.